Hey, real quick, I got something a little bit different for you today, and we're going to be doing a lemon cake latte. Let's just dive right into it. I know by now that you guys know that I like to test the limits on these drinks, and I can honestly tell you right now that I can't drive around anywhere in my city and get this drink that I'm about to show you. So here's what we're going to be adding to this latte. We're going to do white chocolate sauce around a cup, grab some ice, and then we're going to enter in about 4 ounces of some skim milk. Then we're going to grab our lemon flavor from Tirani and add about 1 ounce into it. And trust me, they didn't hold back any authenticity to that lemon flavor, so please be careful with it. Next, let's play around a bit and add a different brand of vanilla than we usually use. We're gonna add about 1 ounce of that. Then we're gonna grab our hand frother and let's crank that baby up to top speed so we can have a faster turnaround time of creating this drink. Go ahead and pour that milk in and simultaneously start your espresso shot. And for a 16-ounce cup like this, we usually only do about 1 shot of espresso. Now, not every coffee shop froths the milk, pours it in first, then does the espresso shot, but you know, it's up to you guys, okay? This was a surprise drink that I made for a customer off the top of my head. Let's see what she thinks.
What do you think?
I like it, and I think it's good for summer.
Okay.
And like, that's also why I like the berry ones, because it's like adds a refreshing to like coffee. I don't really think of coffee as refreshing, so I think this is a good time for this kind of
Yeah. Okay. I was going more for like a lemon cake latte. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.